everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem Nordstrom gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. First, you'll need to sign in to your Nordstrom account. Once you open up a web browser, go to the address box and type in www.nordstrom.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Nordstrom, which looks like this. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, if you want to redeem your gift card online using your computer, you can go ahead and make a purchase online. Go ahead and select a product that you'd like to shop with and then add it on your shopping bag. Once you do that, click open your shopping bag, which is located at the upper right hand corner. You can simply mouse over to that and this will open up a pop-up menu. Click on the view bag and check out button from the pop-up, and then on the next page, review all of the items that you are trying to purchase, and once everything looks okay, click on checkout. Now, enter your shipping address in the text box, and once you are done with it, scroll down to find gift card or promo card option right beneath payment. Give it a click and you'll be able to see two text boxes appearing. Type in your card number. Your gift card number will be available at the back of your gift card for Nordstrom. Simply type in your information and then type in your access number on the next field. Your access number will be available at the back of your gift card as well. Finally, click on the apply button and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Nordstrom.com online using your computer. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.